Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to talk about the affordability of CNC router machine. When I discuss with many people, everybody have a quest to know that whether the CNC router machine is affordable for me, for my job, or for my kind of business, or can I start any new business with CNC router machine. So the affordability of a particular thing is depend. So first we should have to create a mindset. Okay, I can invest in this kind of technology, and I can invest for this kind of new technology. I am ready to take the risk. That if the mindset is okay, then only we can think about how we are going to invest, where from I am going to find the fund, whether the fund has to come from your pocket, that is from your asset, or we have to get funding from some financial institutions or some other ways of means. So once we are okay with the funding, and if your affordability in term of cost, in term of the initial investment, then next we have to see that, look into the return of investment. How long I can sustain after investing in this machine, how I am going to get the return of investment, how much time it will take to get the uh, exact amount what we invested, and when I will start creating profit, I can start getting excess amount other than what I invested. So these all questions will prevail, and it's so natural that such kind of questions should arise before investing into CNC router machine business. So the return of investment depend upon, as you know, the money comes from our products and services. That is the basic idea. Though the value of our products and services depend on what kind of products, what kind of service you are going to give, what kind of area you are going to uh, uh, play. That means where you are going, what is your market, which is your market, in which market you want to sell your product or do your services. So this kind of things will really impact on taking a decision on purchasing a CNC router machine or investing on a CNC router machine. This kind of questions and many more will be addressed in my course about on CNC router machine, named as CNC router business model, CNC router 1.0. Regarding this, to give out more information regarding this training and course, I will be conducting webinar regularly, and for participating the webinar freely, you can register by clicking the below link for registrations. Then you will be get notified on timing whenever the webinar is on. Thank you very much.